Hi, this is Sue Merrick again. I'm back. You're probably looking at this and thinking, what is this? This is a fluff box. It's a very heavy box. It is, I didn't make it. I wish I had. It's about 11.5 inches wide, square. It is a little over 2.25 inches thick, heavy. It has a eye, like a hook and eye here, and it has a nail here. And I'll show you why. I like to use a Lazy Susan because of the way that I fluff a bow. You can fluff a bow till ad nauseum, or you could not fluff it enough. You got to make sure your ribbon is tight. And I don't always have the tightest one on there, tell you the truth. I sound like Boo Boo. Sound like Yogi Bear. Okay, anyway, Sue Merrick again. Okay, here we go. So, you can, and I put a handle up here on the top of my fluff box because, boy, this thing drops on your toe, let me tell you, you feel it. You can make your own. Or you could buy it at ProBow the Hand. Okay, so you have your eyelet here, and it fell and it's squished. You put your wire through it. That's why you have it. This is the top. See, the red was the top. Here's that. Hold it. See how it kind of like moved because this, I didn't have it the tightest on there. There. And then you put it around the nail, and there you go. I'm just going to fold it up because I'll be moving this around. Now, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the left, 1 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6, 12, 13 little things here. Okay, you always start from the bottom. Some people like to start from the top. I've heard that. It's all personal preference, but they teach you to start from the bottom. I'm trying to move this so I don't get impaled by the wire because it's heavy gauge. There we go. And trying to get this twisted over. There we go. Oh, okay. There we go. Now, take one side. Fluffing is not my big major thing. You want to do always the opposite. Red, black, top. Red, center. And you want to kind of like break up the wire so, and do this so it doesn't stay stuck like a puzzle. Okay. Now, that's what you do. Now, everybody will look at this and say, oh, that's not how you fluff it. I don't care. This is how I'm teaching it. You can fluff it your own way. Now, I'm down to the bottom on the other side. This is black and white. I don't want black and white here. I'm doing, and I want, my red and white is over there. So, I want it on the opposite side. Red and white over here. And I'm not being gentle. I'm pulling it. That's why you want it tight on there when you pull in your wire. Red. See, you get confused. Black, red. There. I can see that my wire is, you can also, maybe I might put a wire through this and tie it tighter. Wrap around it a thinner wire so that it gets squishes better. Alright, I'll be right back.